Hi, this is Dr. Mehan, and in this video, I'd like to talk to you about snoring and why you should seek treatment. Currently, snorers are not considered a medical problem, but research has shown us time and time again that many snorers turn into apneics. Apnea means to stop breathing. So if you suffer from a condition known as obstructive sleep apnea, you literally stop breathing for 10 seconds or longer at each apneic event all night long. It really is like having somebody taking a pillow and suffocating you over and over again all night long. People who deal with untreated sleep apnea wake up in the morning feeling groggy, they have headaches, and they're very tired. And this is a huge concern when they drive. In fact, excessive daytime sleepiness is the #1 cause of motor vehicle accidents in North America. Please don't become a statistic. In my practice, we make custom-fitted oral appliances to manage your snoring and sleep-disordered breathing. Managing your snoring in the early stages will not only help you breathe better while you sleep, it may actually potentially prevent the progression of this condition and something far more serious later on in life. Thank you for watching this video.